Hi, today we are going to discuss a very important concept which is inserted into the GST law of India. Basically, in other countries, sometimes that happen, then you get the refund of the taxes, of the indirect taxes of that country on the purchase of goods you have made from that country. Normally, that happens on the airport, that you just submit a kind of form at airport and you will get the refund check of the goods which you are carrying with you. So the similar kind of provisions are now also inserted into the newly introduced GST law in India. So as per the definition given in the GST law, as per the provisions in that act, basically you will be able to get the refund. So what are the basic provisions for that refund and what would be allowed to you? So under the GST, now if you will visit India, you will be able to get the refund of IGST, that is Integrated Goods and Services Tax of India, at the time of your departure from the India. So the goods you are carrying with you will be able to take the benefit of refund of taxes on those particular goods which you have paid in India. So there are some 2 or 3 or 4 conditions for that. They are very basic conditions. The first thing is you shouldn't be the permanently residing in India. Second, you should be visiting India for not more than 6 months and you should be on legal non-immigrant visa. So these are the very basic conditions for that. So now next time when you will travel to India, don't forget to take refund of the taxes on the goods you have purchased from here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.